Hi everyone, so today we will be working with Python Pandas, and we will be having a data set from Kaggle where we will do some data transformation and some calculation, and then at the end we will export it to a CSV file. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to install Pandas if you don't have it. So this is gonna be like that, pip install Pandas, and we will run it. So now we have pandas in Python. I'm working now with Jupyter Notebook. So now import pandas. I'm importing now the package pandas. So as PD, it's like a best practice. We do it as PD. So we have an abbreviation. We don't have to write every time pandas. So now let's read the data set. So the link of the data set, it's in the description. It's from Kaggle. So we will define the data sets as a data frame, and now PD read. So since it's a CSV file, so we will choose the CSV. And now we have to put the file path, the location of the file. So I have saved it in my desktop, and here is the path for the file. So now we have it, and with the head method, we can have a look of the data. So let's run it. So this is the data. We have a name, age, gender, doctor, hospital, etc. So what we can do with the data, let's do some calculations. So first of all, let's see how many rows we have. So I can do it like that. Row count df dot the shape. So if I write 0, it's gonna be the count of the row count. Let's do it. So we have 55,500. If if I do 1, it would be for the column. We have 15 columns. Um, yeah, so we can do now. We have this column, the billing amount, so we can calculate the sum of this column. Um, let's do it here. Total billing equals. So this is the data frame that we have read, and now I have to write the name of the column, which is billing amount. So oh, it was there suggested, and this is the method sum. So let's see. Total billing. And now let's run it. So this is the sum of the column, or we can just have like a little bit of like description of the column. We can have it like that, billing amount, description. So this is gonna be the data frame again, the name of the column, billing amount, and we can write here describe. So pandas is gonna describe the column for us. Let's do it. So here's some data about the column. Let's say like here in the data we have, for example, age, gender, blood type, medical conditions, and we have a lot of data. It's like 55. So I would like to know how many unique values we have from the medical condition. So we can get the unique values by saying that. So the name of the column, which is medical condition, and the method is unique. Let's run it. So I have like 6: cancer, obesity, diabetes, etc. Good. So let's say now I want to add a column to that data. So I have here those columns, and I would like to add a column. I would like to add a column. So this is the billing amount. I would like to add a column which is about the billing category. So if the billing amount is over 20,000, it would be high. If it's lower than 20,000, it would be low. So let's see how we can do it. So now I will identify the name of the new column. So billing um, category, and this is the equation of the column. So I wanted to have it as based on the billing amount. So this is the billing amount, and now I will uh, write apply. So this method will create a function for us, and we will use in this case lambda. So we use lambda when we want to write like simple functions. So it's gonna be high if x is greater than 20,000, otherwise it's gonna be low. Let's see how it looks like. So this is the new column that we have created, and let's check it. So this is the billing amount. This is lower than 20,000, so we have low. This is higher than 20, higher than 20,000, higher, less than 20,000, so we have low. So in this case, this is how we can create columns. Um, we can also we can do some grouping. So we have here different agings. So different ages, like from 10 until 90, I guess. And we want to group the aging based on the medical conditions. Because here we had like 6 medical conditions, and I would like to know the average of the aging for that medical condition. So let's do it. Average age medical condition. So this is the data frame, group by medical condition. So now I will calculate the average of the ages for each medical condition. So let's get started. Oh, I have a mistake here. Um, group. Okay, here I forgot to close it. So now it should work. Yes. So we have those medical conditions, the cancer, diabetes, and these are the average ages for the patients that we have in the data set. So now we have done some calculations. We first read the file, we did some calculations, we get some information about the table, and now let's say I want to load this data into a CSV file. So I can do it like that, to CSV, and here I will specify the name of the file. So let's give it a name, output dot file dot health care dataset, something like that, dot CSV. So now once we run it, we will be having now the CSV generated in the Jupyter notebook. And then you can download it, and then you will be having the CSV file. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have questions, let me know. Thank you.